नवरात्रि का पर्व पूरे देश में खुशी और उत्साह के साथ मनाया जा रहा है। इस दौरान जगह जगह दुर्गा पूजा के पंडाल लग रहे हैं। आम इंसान से लेकर बॉलीवुड सेलेब्स तक सभी दुर्गा पूजा और गरबा उत्सव में शामिल होते नजर आ रहे हैं। हर कोई माता के रंग में, भक्ति के रंग में रंगा नजर आ रहा है। इस बीच हाल ही में फिल्म डायरेक्टर अयान मुखर्जी और तनीषा मुखर्जी ने मीडिया से खास बातचीत की और दुर्गा पूजा को लेकर अपनी बात रखी। साथ ही कई सारे खूबसूरत से किस्से भी नवरात्रि और दुर्गा पूजा को लेकर शेयर किए।
Basically, the Durga Puja for me has always been, it's always been about my dad. It's just always been about my dad. मेरे पिताजी जो थे, he was, वो हमें हमेशा he used to insist, नहीं, you and Kajal will come, you will give Pushpanjali and we will give it together. He would fast. वो wait करते थे कि जब तक हम नहीं आए वो खाना नहीं खाते थे। उनका पहला मील होता था द भोग लंच। इट वाज जस्ट सच अ लाइक इंसिस्टेंस ऑन हिज पार्ट, क्योंकि वो इतना उसमें माँ में बिलीव करते थे। इनफैक्ट टुडे आई एम वेयरिंग हिज पेंडेंट आल्सो व्हिच इज मा's पेंडेंट। सो इट वाज फॉर मी, दुर्गा पूजा हैज ऑलवेज बीन like this symbol to my dad, and now of course to Devi Papa. It's like, I don't know, it's their gift to us. What they would take us there and make us experience this Durga Puja, and I experienced it through my dad. मेरा पूरा experience जो था मेरे पिताजी के थ्रू था, and वो ऐसे मुझे याद है मम्मी हमेशा जब भी छोटा पंडाल होता था उदार स्कूल में, हम जमीन पे केले के पत्ते लगाते थे and we used to feed, भोग used to be served like that. It was beautiful and we used to get, सब बच्चे इतने excited होते थे, नहीं मैं खिचड़ी पकड़ूंगी, मैं and till now अब तक हम सब बहनें इस पे ही बातें करती रहती हैं कि हम मीठा सर्व करेंगे, हम खिचड़ी। एंड शौना हमेशा मुझे बोलता है, नहीं खिचड़ी इज टू हेवी फॉर यू, एंड आई एम लाइक नो शौना, आई डू वेट लिफ्टिंग एंड ऑल, कम ऑन आई टेक द खिचड़ी। तो ये सब दीज आर द फन हैप्पी childhood memories that we have. And of course my mother used to insist every Durga Puja, हमारा जो stalls लगता था, the stalls that you, even when it was small, जब ये छोटा भी था ना, तभी भी stalls लगते थे. And mom used to insist, she used to bully dad. She'd be like, you have to buy me a Bengali sari, a Dhakai Bengali sari. So till today my mom buys me, Kajal, Bengali saris every Durga Puja. It's like, it's tradition, yeah. Because dad used to do it every year for her. He would get bullied, of course, because he'd be like, हमेशा थोड़ा सा bullying होता था वहाँ.
Actually, I was more involved and more obsessed with Durga Puja when I was younger than I think when I started getting more busy with my work. I think for a lot of children who grow up in the Durga Puja, it is just an absolutely fantastic experience. It's just so much fun. Serving bhog, all the Anjali, Pushpanjali that happens, participating in it, the feeling of Ma Durga everywhere. It's just an unbelievable feeling. Those 5 days of the year were like a festival, which was just amazing. Going home, coming back for evening entertainment. So I think even I discovered a little, later on how deeply Durga Puja is embedded in my mind and heart. So it is very close to me personally. Then of course because of dad and all of this. But I do feel that this cultural tradition that we are helping to continue is also very important in general for our society, for our city, for our culture. It's I see a lot of value in keeping this kind of tradition going on, because it keeps something which is very intrinsic to our country and our culture alive by doing it. It's very we could just as easily not do it. But then these traditions, these things gradually disappear. So now I think of it a little bit more from that perspective. I feel we do have a responsibility to keep it going,